Just-in-time, or JIT, is a production strategy that aims to improve a business's return on investment by reducing in-process inventory and associated carrying costs. The concept originated in Japan, particularly within the Toyota production system during the 1970s. The roots of JIT can be traced back to the early 20th century, but it was Toyota that truly revolutionized the concept. By the 1970s, Toyota had developed a system that minimized waste and maximized efficiency, setting the stage for what we now know as just-in-time. Key milestones in the development of JIT include the formalization of the Toyota production system, the global recognition of its benefits, and its adoption by various industries worldwide. These milestones highlight the transformative impact of JIT on manufacturing and production. The core principles of JIT revolve around reducing waste, continuous improvement, and synchronizing production with demand. By focusing on these principles, businesses can achieve greater efficiency and responsiveness to market needs. The goals of JIT include minimizing inventory levels, reducing lead times, and improving product quality. By achieving these goals, companies can reduce costs and increase customer satisfaction. By implementing just-in-time, companies can significantly reduce inventory costs. This approach minimizes the need for large storage spaces and reduces the capital tied up in unsold goods. Just-in-time enhances efficiency and productivity by ensuring that materials and components arrive exactly when they are needed. This reduces idle time and keeps the production process flowing smoothly. With just-in-time, companies can improve quality and reduce defects. By receiving materials in smaller, more manageable quantities, it becomes easier to detect and address quality issues promptly. Better customer satisfaction is another key benefit of just-in-time. By streamlining production and reducing lead times, companies can deliver products faster and more reliably, meeting customer expectations more effectively. Enhanced supplier relationships are fostered through just-in-time practices. Regular, smaller orders encourage closer collaboration and communication, leading to stronger partnerships and more reliable supply chains. The first step in implementing just-in-time JIT in manufacturing is to assess the current workflow and identify areas of waste. This involves mapping out the entire production process and pinpointing inefficiencies. Next, it's crucial to engage all employees in the process. This means training staff on JIT principles and encouraging a culture of continuous improvement. Implementing JIT requires reducing inventory levels to minimize waste. This involves setting up a pull system where production is based on customer demand rather than forecasts. Standardizing work processes is another critical step. This ensures that every task is performed consistently and efficiently, reducing variability and errors. Regularly reviewing performance and making adjustments is essential for JIT success. This involves frequent meetings to discuss metrics and identify areas for improvement. Successful JIT implementation often involves overcoming challenges, such as supplier reliability and production scheduling. Solutions include building strong supplier relationships and using flexible work schedules. In a well-optimized supply chain, just-in-time, or JIT, plays a crucial role in minimizing inventory levels and reducing waste. By receiving goods only as they are needed in the production process, companies can significantly cut down on storage costs and improve cash flow. Coordination with suppliers is essential for JIT to be effective. Regular communication ensures that suppliers can meet the precise delivery schedules required, reducing the risk of delays and stockouts. Logistics providers also play a vital role in JIT. Timely and reliable transportation is necessary to ensure that materials arrive exactly when they are needed, maintaining the flow of production without interruption. JIT enhances supply chain visibility by providing real-time data on inventory levels and shipment statuses. This visibility allows companies to respond quickly to changes in demand and supply, improving overall responsiveness. By optimizing operations and reducing idle time, JIT helps in making the production process more efficient. This leads to better resource utilization and higher productivity. In a just-in-time system, inventory is received only when it is needed for production, reducing the need for large storage spaces. By synchronizing production schedules with suppliers, companies can ensure that components arrive exactly when they are needed, minimizing delays and excess inventory. Regular monitoring of inventory levels and production schedules is crucial for maintaining optimal inventory levels. This helps in identifying any discrepancies and making necessary adjustments promptly. Continuous improvement and employee involvement are key techniques in maintaining optimal inventory levels. Encouraging feedback and suggestions can lead to more efficient processes. Establishing strong relationships with reliable suppliers ensures timely delivery of materials, which is essential for the success of a JIT system. Implementing lean production techniques helps in reducing waste and improving efficiency, which are fundamental principles of JIT. Streamlining production processes to eliminate non-value-added activities is another effective strategy for reducing inventory with JIT. Unlike traditional inventory management, JIT focuses on reducing inventory levels to the bare minimum, which can lead to significant cost savings. Implementing just-in-time JIT can lead to significant efficiency gains, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. One of the primary risks of JIT is supply chain disruption. Any delay in the supply chain can halt production, leading to missed deadlines and increased costs. Inventory shortages can occur if suppliers fail to deliver on time. This can result in production stoppages and lost revenue. Demand variability is another challenge. JIT relies on accurate demand forecasting, but sudden changes in customer demand can lead to either overproduction or stockouts. To mitigate these risks, companies can diversify their supplier base, maintain safety stock, and invest in robust demand forecasting techniques. Learning from past failures is crucial. Companies that have faced JIT failures often implement more resilient systems and better risk management practices. While JIT offers numerous benefits, understanding and addressing its challenges is key to successful implementation. As we look towards the future, evolving practices and innovations in just-in-time JIT are set to revolutionize the manufacturing landscape. Companies are increasingly adopting advanced technologies to streamline their operations and reduce waste. The impact of globalization and digital transformation on JIT cannot be overstated. With interconnected supply chains and real-time data analytics, businesses can now predict demand more accurately and respond swiftly to market changes. Business process automation is becoming a cornerstone of JIT. By leveraging artificial intelligence, companies can automate routine tasks, enhance decision-making, and ensure that inventory levels are optimized at all times. Predictions for the future of JIT in various industries indicate a trend towards even greater efficiency and customization. From automotive to electronics and retail, each sector is poised to benefit from the advancements in JIT methodologies. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.